Something big is definitely brewing, and we're here to investigate it further. But I think we may have figured it out, cracked the code on what the market and the economy will do in the near term, medium, and long term, guys. Let us investigate further. We are going to be talking about Bitcoin and XRP if we have time towards the end of the video, because something is definitely occurring, guys. Now, insiders sell for many reasons. So you can't put too much emphasis on insider sales as insider buys. Over the last month, however, Meta insiders have been selling. Zuckerberg has been unloading shares for the past month or so, along with the COO and CLO, guys. Check this out. Right, look at all these sales. You just can't make this stuff up, guys, for hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions, right? All within this month, guys. Mark Zuckerberg is going absolutely crazy. Wow. Such as the other executives as well, guys, right? Look at Mark Zuckerberg. Wow, that's insane. It's literally his name only. But my question to you is, do you think Mark Zuckerberg will sell the bottom or the top? Right? The top or bottom, guys? Obviously, he's going to be selling the top, at the top of the market, not bottom. These people are not dumb, guys, right? They actually buy when it's low, right, and sell when it's high. So we have to talk about it, guys, and wonder why. And that's not only for Meta or Facebook. Let's search up Amazon, right here. Look at this, guys. So sales, all these other executives, literally the presidents and CEO, guys, 9 million right there, right, sold. Well, that one was in March, guys, as well as Walmart right here, right? So you guys, I'm pretty sure that like all these people are selling. I haven't seen one buy. Not to mention, guys, look at all these top insider trading recent week, right? All these people, literally executives of different companies, are selling huge amounts, 65 million, I don't know, guys, like millions upon millions of dollars compared to buy transactions from different companies. It's literally not even comparable, right? Well, it could be obviously for different reasons and whatnot, guys, right? But even Michael Saylor is selling his own shares, guys, right? That's insane. Look at that. People have been saying, oh, he's buying Bitcoin with them, but who knows? But let's check this out, guys. Now, in 5 days, there is a very significant and important meeting. It's the next FOMC meeting, guys, right? When the Federal Reserve either makes a decision on hiking, cutting, or holding rates. And it's in about 5 days and 16 hours. When is that, guys? 5 days is in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, April 30th. Don't you see? Right? That's insane. That's literally the same day as the Hong Kong spot and Ethereum ETFs go live, and it's now tradable, guys. Weird, if you ask me. What I'm picking up on is maybe we're going to see a dump, guys, right? So these people can buy up cheap, right? I don't know. That's what it seems like to me. And then after that point, we're just going to rally insanely hard, guys, right? And whoever sold the bottom. Now, they're going to be holding rates. This is how I know we're not going to collapse right now, right? It's because they're going to be holding rates. Probably, I mean, the market believes it, guys. The market believes it, as well as in the month of June, right? But so long as they hold rates, we're good to go up higher. But whenever they cut rates, it's not going to be looking too swell for the markets. Now, here's the tricky part, guys, and something just occurred. I mean, what will the Federal Reserve do? It seems like they're screwed. Question: is the American economy in depression? Answer: yes, from the real Kiyosaki. Definition of a depression: an economy in subpar growth. In other words, the economy may be growing but below potential. Q4 2023 economy grew by 3.4%. Q1 2024 economy grew by 1.6%, less than half. Not going to be a soft landing. Don't believe fake news. Seek the facts. Prepare and take care. Now, yes, people in the comments are stating Bitcoin, guys, solves this or whatnot, But during a recession, during a black swan, no, it doesn't. After it does. Long term, it definitely does. But he's stating this right here. Checkmate from BC Backer. Now, for those who don't understand what just happened, we now see growth slowed to less than half of Q4 2023 number. Now, this reading is roughly 50% below Goldman Sachs expectations, guys. So the economy is looking like literally hell right now, right? So stocks and cryptos are pumping, but the economy is essing the bed. Something has to face reality, right? Well, the economy already is. Now the issue is the markets aren't, which means there's a bearish divergence. The markets will face its own reality soon, or the economy soon, guys, right? Face the economy, and whatever's happening right now, soon, which will mean the markets will plummet, guys. But I do believe we go higher in the short term, medium term, like a couple months, guys. In the very short term, probably a dump. We're going to be talking about it because we will have time, guys. I'll make time for us to talk about what I think will happen with Bitcoin and XRP. But it even gets worse. At the same time, the Nasdaq's core PCE price index soared from 2% to a staggering 3.7%, and further suggests that inflation is on the rise, guys. Right? We have a weakening economy with rising inflation, the worst possible outcome for the Federal Reserve. So, basically, what does the Federal Reserve do at this point? Well, if you cut rates, inflation will skyrocket, right? Then, if you raise rates, the economy crashes, guys. Not exactly the definition of a soft landing. Welcome to the era of stagflation. Now, everyone's blaming Biden for this matter, guys, which will just fuel the narrative of who comes back into play. You guys already get it, right? They will follow the pattern of the forgotten recession of 1921, high interest rates and QE. Now, so what's going to happen next, guys? Well, the charts, the metrics are pointing towards some type of awful black swan. So there we go. We're going to get confirmed in literally 5 days from now, 6 days. Either was the baby, the quote unquote baby black swan, which we just seen with what was happening with the other countries, right? The enemy countries. Was that the actual black swan or not? And it seems like it wasn't, which is horrific and terrifying, because that means an actual black swan is literally on the horizon, which will reset everything, guys. Because, so, this is interesting. The 3-month recession probability indicator on the Dow Jones is now at 90%. It's basically guaranteed, guys. 9 out of 10 chances. The highest it's been since 1949. That's ridiculous. So, supposedly, there's this indicator, recessions right here, right? Recession warning traffic light, and we're at 90%, guys. Look at that, right? So each time, let's see here, zoom out, each time we were at these high levels, that's us right now, guys. Okay, the stock market literally at all-time highs. Whenever we've seen a spike, look at that, we've seen a recession right here, a spike in the indicator, recession right here. Wasn't really there, but these times we did see spikes, guys, on the indicator. We've seen recessions, right? And right now, it's the highest it's been since 1949. Okay, that's very diabolical, guys. Then, not to mention, Dollar Tree is closing 600 stores in 2024. CVS is closing 900 stores in 2024. Walgreens 150 stores. UPS cuts 1,200 jobs or 12,000 jobs in 2024. Citigroup cutting 20,000 jobs. eBay 1,000 jobs. Microsoft 1,900 jobs, right? Expedia 1,500 jobs. Cisco cutting 4,000 jobs. Apple 600 jobs. Real Cinemas 429 location. This means the economy has gone so bad, guys, that they need to cut jobs. They need to close down these stores, these locations, right? And if people are unemployed, that's not good, because that's what is the territory of a recession, right? Whenever it spikes up, guys, that's when a black swan usually occurs as well. And everyone's blaming the current sitting president once again. Not to mention, I'm pretty sure a lot of these data, or a lot of all these datas and whatnot, are manipulated to the high standard as well to fit their own narrative. Now, quote unquote Black Swan, we just got confirmed because this person right here, fictional quote unquote Black Swan home, lists for $1.7 million, guys. Oh, you don't say? And here we go, guys. So here's my game plan, okay? For all the hectic, the chaotic, the clown world show is whatever's happening right now, here's what I think will happen. This isn't financial advice, but this is just my theory. Ready? We have to talk about Bitcoin and XRP and how this all ties in together. Bitcoin 3-day Bollinger Bands. What's happening? Each time we went to these low volatile levels for the 3-day on Bitcoin, what has happened? An explosion in price, okay? An explosion in price. And over here we've seen a down move, guys. But check this out now. So we still have maybe a few weeks for us to hit back to this line, right, that level. And whenever we do, guys, that's when the next move, the big move, occurs. So let's just say we dump a little, right? That dumps as well. And then that's when the final leg occurs, guys, before we see an actual black swan occur, right, take place. Now that would literally tie into this tweet. I think the XRP bottom is in from cryptos. However, if we do see the market sell off next week, I think we should see more of a double bottom formation before we flip bullish for good XRP. That's what I'm thinking, literally, guys, right? So this is my game plan. For XRP, what I think is, I actually wanted to go back to these levels, guys. There's a reason why. Because if XRP goes back to, I don't know, 48, 49, 47 cents, right, takes this level out, it will be a bullish divergence, because if you form something like that, guys, the indicator will be going higher, right? The indicator will be going higher, but price is going lower, a bullish divergence. Not to mention, I'm seeing some type of head and shoulder, guys, pattern for the indicator that I use if it goes back down to this level right here. And that's explosive, because this literally almost always plays out to the and then if it's a hidden bullish, if it's a inverted heads and shoulder, guys, prices will pump. Okay, so if XRP dumps, obviously Bitcoin will as well, guys. But what I'm thinking is, very short term, it's going to be very volatile, right? So expect up and downs, but hopefully, or not hopefully, guys, if we do see Bitcoin come down like this, right, that'll probably mark the bottom. Because why? The ETFs went live right here. Spot Bitcoin ETFs are going live soon. What happened afterwards? A dump in prices. If we see a dump in prices soon, that's what comes up next, guys. And that's what comes up next. After that point, after we top out, I'm thinking something like this. So I'm thinking something like that, guys, right? We pump all the way, I don't know how high. Black swan occurs, and then we rise back up, guys. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know, but everyone has their own opinion at this point in time. Let us just prepare for anything at this point in time. Not need your advice. What is that? So, see ya.